Okay, these first ones are GCF. Okay, so the GCF, what is, you can factor these out. You can draw yourself a little line. And what are some factors of 16? 2 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. Okay, and then we need some factors of 4. 2 and 2. Okay, so what can we circle? What are matchies? 2 and 2. So we got 2 sets of 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So our number on the outside is going to be what? A 4. Okay, and then draw your parentheses. So you're going to keep all your signs. So I have a minus, minus. So we're going to put those. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. Okay, and then how many x's can we take? Okay, what's the smallest amount of x's? If Rodney wants to rob us, 1. Okay, so you can pull 1 out. So if I took 1, how many is left? 7, so x to the 7. And then what about the back guy? Nothing. Okay, this is the GCF factor method, and tomorrow I will get into like how you can tell when to use GCF and when not to. Sam, put it up. I don't know. Just did. Okay, look at 3. Okay, what are some factors of 90? 2 and 45. What else? 5 and 9. 3 and 3. Okay, and then we need some factors of 9. 3 and 3. Okay, so what's matchies? What can we pull? 3 and 3. So I got a set of 3s and a set of 3s. So what number is going to go on the outside? 9. A 9. So 90 divided by 9, 10. 9 divided by 9, 1. We keep our signs. And then how many B's can I pull? 1. Okay, so we're going to put B to the 1 out here, or you can just put B. So how many is going to be left for the first guy? None. What about the second guy? 1. Well, that's what I was looking like with my shoes. Look at that. Can I scroll?
Yeah.
Okay, these ones are still GCF. The only difference is it's got 3 terms instead of 2. Okay, but it's still a GCF. So you're going to need to factor all of these and see what we can pull. Okay, it's got to match in all 3. So what are some factors of 15? 3 and 5. 20. 2 and 10. 2 and 5. And 50. 2 and 25. 5 and 5. Okay, so what is a match for all?
5.
A 5? Anything else?
2.
Huh?
Oh, not for all, no.
Okay, so our number on the outside is going to be what?
15.
No.
5.
5. Okay, so 15 divided by 5.
3.
20 divided by 5.
4.
50 divided by 5.
10.
10. Okay, keep your signs. So I should have a minus, plus. Then how many R's can I take out? Huh? None. Okay, the smallest amount, and the smallest one has none. Okay, so put all the R's back where they go. So it's going to be R and R squared. Almost matters. Can I scroll? Huh? Okay. Okay, what are some factors of 30? 2 and 15. 3 and 5. 35. 5 and 7. And 25. 5 and 5. Okay, so what can we pull? A 5. Okay, what number is going to go on the outside? A 5. Okay, 30 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5. 7. 25 divided by 5. 5. Keep the signs. And then what about our letters?
Keep them there. I mean,
We can take 1. So we put an A to the 1 on the outside. So how many does the first guy have left?
2.
Yeah, so A to the 2. Second guy? 1. And third guy? None.
Oh, I see. Oh, I forgot that.
The only other stuff that's on your test other than this, but this is like what I want to hit hard, is remember we did like monomial quadratic or a cubic binomial, quartic trig. Okay, that's the only other thing, and then there's foiling and distributing, which you know how to do. And I don't even think I'm gonna put that on there, quite honestly. Okay, these ones are factoring when A equals 1, and we'll get into more how you can tell tomorrow. So these are the ones where you just draw 2 parentheses, and we find some factors of what number? 5. What are factors of 5? 1 and 5. Okay, we can fill in the x's, so x and x, and we need something to add or subtract to give me what? 6. So I got to use 1 and 5. How can I make that a positive 6? Plus. Okay, plus 1 plus 5. And that would give me a positive 6. Do I stop or keep going? We stop. Okay, so these are like probably seem super easy now that you do the harder ones. Okay. Okay, 11, same thing. Draw your 2 parentheses, and you can fill in R and R. We need to find some factors of 18. So we got 1 and 18. Does 2 go in?
Yeah.
2 and
3,
3 and 6.
4, 5, and 6 is on our list. So we know we've covered everything. So of these groups, I need something to add or subtract to give me a 7.
2 and 9.
2 and 9, and I need a positive 7. So how can I make that happen?
-2 plus 9.
-2 plus 9. Good, can I scroll? Okay, same thing, draw your 2 parentheses. We got n and n, and we need some for 32. So 1 and 32, does 2 work?
Yeah.
2 and what?
11.
No.
21.
No.
8.
2 times 8?
So 32.
2 times what gives me 32? 16. 3?
No.
4?
4 and
5?
8.
6?
No.
7?
It's
8.
already up.
Okay, we need something to add or subtract to give me a 4.
4 and 8.
No, it's fine.
4 and 8.
4 and 8, and I need a -4. So how can I make that happen?
Plus 4 minus 8.
Plus 4 minus 8. Do we stop or keep going?
Keep going.
Keep going. And so what is my answer going to be?
-4 plus 8.
-4 plus 8. Okay, so we draw your parentheses. You got P and P. and some factors of 6. 1 and 6, 2 and 3. We need some to add or subtract to give me a 7. 1 and 6, and I need a positive 7.
1 plus 6. Plus.
Plus, plus. Stop or keep going?
Stop.
Keep going to get -1, -6.